Now at 6, a former mistress, a sex tape, and a love child. Tonight, new information that former presidential candidate John Edwards is on the hot seat and could soon be.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the North Carolina State Police Department. Reports from the towns of Raleigh, Cary, Durham, Fayetteville, Rolesville, and Wake Forest have claimed that an unidentified disease is spreading throughout these areas. Health officials report that some of the symptoms include nausea, vomiting blood, confusion, and unconsciousness. Reports also claim that citizens infected with this disease have acted out in an extremely violent behavior. Contact with the infected will most likely result in infection or certain death. Uninfected citizens are highly advised to avoid anyone with these symptoms. At this time, these areas are under quarantine until further notice. As a safety precaution, residents are also advised to stay in their homes at all times. This is the emergency alert system.